Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Sachin and I'm vlogging. On this day, I went for worshipping to Idol Housing. I went there alone and yeah. New construction is going on and there are people over there. So I'm not going. After worshipping Idol Housing at Moya, I went to another place that is like down the way. And in this village that Idol Housing came there and settled down at that place and this tree grew out of that. It's not that popular and not so many people go there. But I think when they're worshipping. Done with this again. The tree was huge. While I was returning, it started to rain and I got all wet and I'm on my way back to home. Oh yeah, that's it.
뭐냐?
포토가 보자니 나가 좀 많이 시부다 났어 나는
Hi guys, good morning. It is 5:30 in the morning and I've even bleached my hair. I need to bleach it again. Yeah, so today my brother is coming and I'm starting the vlog right now. I've been doing things since the morning and I need to cook pork. I'm not so good in it, but yeah, let's try. That's the plan for today. My mom and my dad gonna go to airport to to receive my brother, and they'll come back and I'll be in my home preparing meal for them. See you after some few moments. Guys, I've started to cook the food. I've not started, but I've started the process. Like I have bun over here and I have this, so I'm gonna cook this. I bleached my hair and it looks something like this while waiting for them. I've done with the cooking thing. I'm now just waiting for them. His flight departure, he told us like he will reach Manipur at around 11. I think he might have landed. I didn't call and ask them. So yeah, I'll catch you guys when my brother arrives. Guys, I'm ending the vlog with this beautiful view of the rainbow, and if you did like or enjoyed or whatever, please like, subscribe and share my videos, and see you in my next video. Till then, please be safe and be happy.